Trunks made
If
this
Pooh
jam.
could see me now, I know he'd be proud. Somewhere in me deep down, there's something in me he found that made him believe in me. Now no one can beat me now. You try, it'll be them doors. Andre's fan, and believe me, clowns. That means suicide, homie. You'll never throw me off of this course, blow me. Bitch, I do this all for the sport only, but I want it all. I'm not just talking awards, homie. And the ball's in my court, and it's lonely on top of the world when you're the only one with the balls in your shorts. Believe the jaws on the floors, but no remorse. Remember that when they get to dogging your boy, homie, so y'all can just get the blogging about my log. Now I'm not gonna stop, the saga continues, no stopping the force. Hobie, I'm mopping the floors with them. I keep trying to pass it, but they keep on dropping the torch, and it won't be long to the sport. It's OVER just blazing me. We are knocking on doors, and no, we ain't pumpkins on Halloween, but we'll show up on your porch, so we
internally, we take my place, 'cause it's got to show.